So you are welcome to this section of the Create Content Practical class. So this time around, we want to see how you can make use of Canva to create your ebook, just as we have said. Then we also see how you can use your Canva to create some images and some design for your content. So I'll be taking you through the Canva app to create this graphic image and this ebook that we have here. So let's go to Canva. Canva is just a graphic design application and you can access it through canva.com. So now I will be taking us through the layouts. So to your left, you can see some of the tools you can make use of. And at the top, you can see some design spotlights based on your industry. And I will not be going fully into that, but just to make you to know that you can search for anything at this search button. So let's say you want to create an ebook cover, as we want to do. So you can make a search for ebook cover. So Canva comes with lots of templates. So you can just make a direct search for ebook cover, as I have done now. And you'll be able to see samples of templates that are in line with ebook cover. So, and another thing about Canva is that your ebook cover will be, the template you are going to be getting will be in accordance with the size for an ebook. So that makes it a great one. Okay? So we can work with any of these templates to get our design. And anytime you are seeing this crown, the meaning of that is a paid template. But if you are not seeing any of this crown in front of, at the lower right hand side, then that means the template is available for you to use. So now let's pick one of the templates and let's start. As a beginner, you might want to start with editing of templates. Then as you progress, you might want to build your own design from scratch. So let's do that now. Let's pick a template. So I want to go with this. I will just click it. So while that is opening, let me show you some of the designs I have done in the past. So this is an ebook cover, graphic design with Canva, everything you need to know about creating quality designs with Canva app. So this is an ebook cover that was designed from scratch. I also have some here. This is a complete WhatsApp marketing tutorial, an ebook, 2 of it, and a Google My Business guide. So all these are samples just to show you how easy it can be. So let's see how to edit templates with Canva. So I love this design. It's looking clean and neat. One thing is, even though this is not a graphic design class, but if you want to always have a good design, you must pay attention to your white space and you must pay attention to your typography. So it is very simple. Just ensure that the most important message you want to pass has the biggest font, while you give more space around your elements. All this empty space are what we call white space. So they make it easy for you to read through your design. So if you check another template you have here, you can see enough of white space, a lot of white space, making it easy for you to grab the message if you check this, you can see lots of white space. So it makes it easy for you to pass your message and for people to understand what you are saying. So now let's do some editing on this. This is a text element. This is a shape element. This is a text element. And we have an image for background, a paper image for background. Okay, so let's do some editing. So let's say I want to edit this name. I will just double click on it. Then I will put my own name here. So that's my name. And I want to change this color. I want to pick my own color. I want to change this also. I want to use my own color, as you can see. Then I want to change this text also. Maybe I want to change the font. So this is where you can pick different fonts. So if I want to change it to intern, you can see. I want to change it to Rugrats Sans. I want to change it to Poppins alone. Then I can click on this also. I can change the font. Maybe I want to change it to Black Mango Semi-Bold, as you can see. Or I want to change it to Black Mango Medium. Or just Black Mango. So all these things are showing to you many things you can achieve with your Canva. So you can see that. So that's how to change your font. It's that simple. No big deal about it. Okay? So let's leave it as Poppins. And I might decide to change this. And I might say I want it to be open source. And let's say I want to I want to change the alignment. You come here, you click, now it is align left. And if I don't want it to be like that, I might say aligned central or aligned to the right. And also, if you want to change the line spacing, you click the option you have here and you can increase the line spacing. And you can also increase the line height. The letter spacing, that's the first thing I did, and the line height to make it easy for people to read. Okay? So that's just basic template editing. Basic template editing. So let's say I want to change this text. I will double click on it and I will say learn digital I'll say learn digital media or something like that. So I've changed the text now. And I can come up here and do any other thing I want to do with it. So if I don't like this color, I can come here, pick any of the color options that I have here as I wish or as I want. And I can change this also to make it to be balanced. And another thing you can do is you can decide to delete or remove anything. Just click it and click on delete here, and that's all. I might decide to move this down to give my major heading a clean connection. I can decide to move this to the right, and I can align it. Okay, and that's all. Instead of making this italics, I can straighten it by removing the italics option. And my name, I can straighten it also, and I can add some letter spacing. I can reduce the font. You can see that. So it's very simple. Canva is very simple to make use of. And that's all. So my ebook is ready and I can print it out. If I don't want this, maybe I want to customize this, I can change the rotation. I'm at 90, sorry, the degree 90, okay. I can bring it like this. Maybe this is what I want. And that's it. So my ebook design is ready. I can say learn about digital media. So learn about digital media. I can expand that. So make sure you try this out. It's very simple. It's just drag and drop. So after the ebook is ready now. Learn about digital media. So let's delete this. And that's our ebook. Now, how do you design from scratch? Let's say I want to design this from scratch now. I don't want to make use of templates. I want to do my own design from scratch. So I open a new page. Then this is a paper element. This looks like a paper, that background. So you go to your elements. Then search for paper. So I have paper in the list already. So this is a paper. So I'll click on it. Then expand it to fill the whole space. Okay. Then I can edit the image. I can reduce the saturation or increase it. I can make it more brighter or reduce the brightness. You see it, depending on what I want to achieve. And to make it as white as this, I can decide to add a shape on top of it. Obviously, when you are reproducing, it might be difficult for you to okay. So when you are reproducing, it might be a little bit difficult for you to get the exact thing, but you can still get something close. So this is white. Now, how do I ensure the paper is still showing? You click it, click this 3 button here. You have this option, transparency. So click on your transparency and reduce it. You can see that to give you something closer. Obviously, we have something closer now. Now let's add the text at the top. That's my name. So come to text. So you click any of the text option you have here. Sorry, my network is a little bit slow. Okay, add the subheading, then type your name. Okay, so that's my name. I'll move that to the top and I will change the font to Poppins and I will reduce it to 14 and I will increase the letter spacing. Okay, so that I can have something similar to what I have there. Okay, it's like this is too much. Then I can move this down a little. If this is too, okay, this is 14 and this is 344. This is 14, bold. I guess the font here is Poppins medium. I see. So Poppins medium and 344. So that's 344. Then we can add our line. So line is under elements. Lines and shape. This is a line. can put it there and can align it, bring it closer a little. I can change the color to the brand color, and that's it. You can reduce the size by clicking it and dragging it in. Make sure you are looking at the degree. Ensure the degree remains at 0 so that it will not bend. Okay, so if you are okay with the size, I think I'm okay now. So now I can, so at the middle now, I can add learn about digital media. So I come to my text again, add a subheading, change the font to Poppins, and I can increase this to 24, and I can now edit it. Learn about. So learn about. So this is the subtitle, learn about. Then this, instead of typing text again, I can just click this and I can come here and click duplicate. Since it's the same font I'm using, learn about digital media. So that's it, learn about digital media. And I can increase the font of this. Now I want it to come down. You can see that I can change the font to Poppins extra bold. Everything. So Ctrl A, extra bold, and I can change the line height, bring them together, and I can increase the font again. You can see that I can move this up. Let me take this up first. So just as I have here, let me check the font of this 81. So let's make it 82. Okay. Okay. This can come down. So I'm using my arrow head keys. Then I can come to my elements, my shape again, bring it to this side, bring it in a little, change the color to this, and then I can send it backward, and that's it. And then develop the science of design properly. So I can bring this, come here, duplicate it, bring it down, and I can type, change the text. I can say develop the understanding of digital media. Okay, so I can scroll this in, bring this in, align it to the right, and change the font size to 16 or 18. Bring it up a little. Okay, I'm okay with this. All right, so that's it. And I can make this Poppins medium. So my ebook is ready, just as the one we have on the top. So that's how to, so I can bring this a little bit closer. All right. So that's how to do your ebook design. Now, after your ebook design, we will now go ahead and see how do you turn it into a mockup. How do you turn this into a mockup? So the first thing you have to do is to download your ebook. So let's download this ebook. Come to share at the top here. Come to download. Leave it in PNG. Then let us just download one of it. Let's leave page 2 at page 1. Then download. So your download will start immediately, and as soon as that is done, you can view it when it is done. So this is your ebook. Learn about digital media, develop the science of design properly, something. Okay, so now we can now go to our ebook cover. So you go to DIYbookcovers.com. That's the name of the website where you will be creating your cover design. So we want to go for composite, and we'll be making use of this sample we have here. So let's go for this. Click on this. After clicking on composite, you click on this, then you click next. Here you upload your ebook cover. So let's start with, you browse. So you come to your downloads. This is the ebook cover. You open it. So you wait for it. It will upload below here. Sorry, I've not clicked on upload. So it's uploading now. So it has uploaded. You can see it here. So make sure you click on upload after you have browsed. You click on upload. Then you click on next. So as soon as you click on next, you pick any option you want. If you want to have a background, you pick PNG. If you don't want a background, you click on PNG. If you want a background, you click on JPEG. So let's put a background, white background, so JPEG. And your download will soon start. Okay, so my download is ready now. So this is the ebook. You can see it's beautiful and it's making sense. So that's your ebook design. Okay, so let's leave that out of it. So now we want to see how to create how to create your flyer design. So let's take some break and we'll continue from there. Thank you. God bless you.